with a huge round of applause. પ્રીતિ દાસ માટે તાળી થઈ જાય guys. Yes.
I opened a Tinder account for research purposes. For research purposes. अभी मेरी उम्र के लिए टिंडर बरोबर नहीं है. एक साला ये रेडियस का क्या लफड़ा है. मेरे ही लोग मिल जाते हैं मुझे टिंडर पे. I don't understand the logic of radius. I know it's for speed dating and you know कि जल्दी जल्दी मिलन फटाफट आपने पता भी है. जेबी. And you know the funny part about India is these names, symbols and logos. मुझ जैसी मासूम लड़की और आप जैसे कितने मासूम लोगों ने, है ना, कितने सालों तक मिंत्रा के एम को एम ही समझा होगा. कौन ठरगी था जिसने ऐसा पैर खोल दिया और बोला बाबा जी का गुफा है ये, वल्गर है वल्गर. भैया मैकडोनल्ड का भी एम ऐसा है और नीचे लिखा है आई एम लविंग इट. The kind of messages that I'm getting on Tinder are, someone says, a girl, I'm looking for fun and I'm looking for a sapiosexual partner. इसकी माँ का इंडिया में आधे जन तो समझेंगे नहीं सेपियोसेक्सुअल क्या है. वो लड़का उधर राइट स्वाइप करेगा सेक्सुअल तो है, कुछ तो मिलेगा. And the cake, like there was this one amazing bio in Tinder which said, I'm looking for emotional, intellectual coitus. For those who don't know coitus, I think most guys swiped right because they're like, કાયરો ક્લિટોરિસ લખ્યું છે એની માને. એટલે છોકરીને મળી ગયું તો આપણું કામ તો શોર્ટ થઈ ગયું ને, બહુ સારું. Coitus actually means rhythmic sexual intercourse. I'm a 90s child. For me, rhythmic sexual intercourse was listening to Ila Arun's song. Rishamka. I'm like, oh wow, that's coitus. I love the fact that people think of Tinder as a very dirty app, right? Because dating India, ma, shit, taboo. Right? What do you do on a date? I have sex. Like, seriously? Which is good and it's fine. It's fine to do coitus. Coitus, right? The word for the day. Rhythmic. Yeah. But Tinder is changing the game. It's honestly changing the game because I know despite the bad grammar, I love the fact that women are able to talk about having sex. However wrong the grammar is. However small the radius is. Not your radius, the gentleman. Women are, and that's the beauty of this thing. For a country like India, Tinder should have region-specific, state-specific, right? For example, Tinder in Bengal. उसमें एक ही ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. Swipe left, 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 swipe left. Political joke, Preeti Das. Gujarat doesn't get it. Okay. Point yourself. Tinder was in Gujarat. There would be no left or right because center controls it all. You're getting it, you're getting it, you're getting it. If Tinder was in Kerala and there was an opening line to flirt, the opening line would be something like this. Hey baby, are you a communist? Because after seeing you, there's an uprising in my lower class. If someone said that, I would swipe right. Also, अगर टिंडर इंडियन लॉन्डो के हिसाब से बनता ना, तो एक ही ऑप्शन होता, आवाज से बुलाना. There'd be no left, right. Hey, that would be an option. And the other option that would be on Tinder is पलट. Okay, just for the sake of records, guys, जब हम लौंडिया से चल रही होती ना, तुम पलट बोलते हो हम देखते हैं. हराम खोरों, हम लोग ये देख रहे होते कि क्रीप अभी भी मेरे पीछे आ रहा है कि नहीं. But it's amazing. Because Tinder is killing it. It's nailing it. And you know when parents tell people कि भैया આ બધું ખોટું છે, I just want to tell all the parents out there કે જે ખોટું છે ને બકા, એ Tinder નથી. એ જે તમે તમારા બાળકોને નાનપણથી કહો છો ને, એ ખોટું છે. હા, મારું એક 8 વર્ષનું બાળક છે. And I started with teaching him nursery rhymes. What am I teaching him? Ding dong bell, pussy in the well. Who put it in? Na hoy. Little Johnny Thin. Who pulled it out? Oh shit, I don't even want to do the rest with this kid right now. I'm like feeling so bad. Right? So these are perversions that we don't realize have been there for a very long time. These are things we don't like talking about. Sex, na kehવાય, બધું બહુ ગંદુ છે, નીચેનું કામ હોય. And what is the other thing, you know, as girls, I don't know if women here know this. It's a Hindi nursery rhyme, very famous, that we, as innocent, virginal, beautiful girls, have always played. Ladies, You've done this game, you remember? Yeah. It used to go like this. जी जा जी, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे कभी आगे लगा हुआ है जीजा. मम्मी बोले बेटा जीजा जी खेलो. साले पीडोफाइल जीजा है. फिर बोलते टिंडर गलत है. टिंडर ऐप खराब છે, ऐप खराब નથી, आप खराब हो. If you don't talk about this to your children, then they will get all the insight from Pornhub. You look at girls and think 36, 24, 36, right? 36, 24, 36, I'll fall on my face. બારબી કેમ ઊંધી વળે છે? કારણ કે પડી જાય છે ગેલિયો. 36, 24, 36 is not possible. In fact, I'm waiting for the day when women will be judged by the hemoglobin count, B12 level, D3 level, intellect. Not 36, 24, 36.